how to make Python talk to you. If you ever felt lonely or bored, there is a way to have some fun with Python. And this is with only few lines of code. First of all, Python needs to be installed on your computer. And you will need pip to install right package. We will need a library to convert text to speech. So, go to Google and type Python text-to-speech. Choose PyTSX3. For installing this library, type pip install PyTSX3 in terminal. The code is simple. We need to import library itself. With method init, we initialize the person. Method say is taking one argument, which is a string. And lastly, we need to run and wait method. That's it. Cool. Our first version of the Talking Python program is ready. Let's run it. Press the play button or type the command in terminal.
Hello, how are you?
Okay, it works. Enjoy and have fun.